Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program to sum all the items, or let's say values, in a dictionary. I'm having my dictionary here. It has three keys, A, B, and C, and three values, 10, 20, and 30. So we would like to have the sum of 10, 20, and 30. But how do we do that? To do that, I'm having my variable called total sum. Then I'm typing down the name of my dictionary dot using the values function, and using the values function, this function will allow us to access these values in this dictionary. Okay, and this is inside the parentheses of the sum function, and sum function is going to help us to get the values of my dictionary and sum all the values and return the result. And the returned result is assigned to total sum. Basically, with this line, I'm accessing the values, these 30, 20, and 10 of my dictionary. And these values are being summed using the sum function. And the output of this is going to be assigned to total sum variable. And then I'm printing the output. So I'm showing the message, the sum of all items in the dictionary is, and then the total sum variable is here. So when I run this code, I see the output is 60. So 30 plus 20 will be 50, plus 10 will be 60. So in this video, we learned how to sum all the values in a dictionary. Thank you for watching.